Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day that I wanted to start something new. As you can see, it's really nice, beautiful weather, and I thought that I might start some summer series. So that's gonna be first episode of my Summer on the Patio series.
What's your name? I've seen you before. What's your name? May I walk you to your door? What's your name? I've seen.
And I would like to start it with a very popular topic on YouTube, which is what's in my bag. Actually, it will be serious about it, what's episode about it, what is in my mini backpack. So yeah, here this is my favorite backpack, mini backpack for now. I got it in gas store, and yeah, it's really good. It's really small. It's not too big. It's not too small. You know what I mean? It's just right for me. So okay, what I have in my backpack. First, let's start with this container. Okay, what is here? Okay, wow. Okay, so let's start with this. Here is my aromatherapy essential soothing lavender oil, and it's good when I have to go and somewhere, or I travel, or I go out, and then when you go out there's always stressful situations, so I use this to calm myself down, and you can roll it here on your head or here on your hand a little bit and just rub it. Smells good. I feel calm. So good. Okay, and then I have these lip gloss from Lancome, and this velvet matte from Victoria's Secret. I mean, this from Lancome is really good. I mean, yeah, it smells and tastes like a kind of candy. I really love it. What's the color? I don't know. It's number 272, but really good. I really recommend it from Lancome. And then it's this Victoria's Secret Perfection Velvet Matte. I don't know what I want to say about it. I mean, it's not bad, it's not good. It's a little bit like a, I don't know, creamy situation here. And, but it's a nice color. Well, it's not very expensive, so it's good for summer, I think. Yeah, not too bad, but Lancome is better. And then I have my Merci chocolates, like a safety stock. Yeah, well, okay. What else? So this compartment is done. Now we're done here. Okay, here is a toy for Nico. When I go out or drive or, I don't know, travel with Nico, I always take something for him. Sometimes it's bone, but usually I take toys. Yeah, Nico is here somewhere. I don't know. Nico, come here. No. Okay. And then keys. Okay, keys. They're very heavy anyway. Too many keys, but yeah. Okay, and then again snack. This time is breakfast soft baked bar. Oh yeah, it's apple cinnamon. Not too bad. Yeah, I always have snacks with me. And then what else? Oh yeah, this is, guys, this is so good. This is mist from Cora Organics. It smells like really fresh lavender, I think. It says here it's balancing rose mists. It's a travel size, on the go size, so yeah. Smells so good. Really good. Okay, what else is here? And of course, yeah. What is it? Oh, yeah. Mini perfume. Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. Guys, this is really nice smell. It's this 30 millimeters. No, 50 millimeters. But yeah. Oh my god. Smells so good. Oh my god. beautiful, perfect for summer or romantic date or anything, yeah. Well, smell nice, girls, okay? And then again a lip balm. That's again from Lancome. It's nourishing lip balm, honey in rose. Oh yeah, smells beautiful like a perfume. Again, so nice. Yeah, it's just, it doesn't have any color. It's transparent really, and it's kind of like a cream on your lips. Wow, awesome. Okay, really good, what I can say. And the last thing, oh, okay, a pen. There's a pen, okay? There is a pen, yeah, from Swarovski. It's sparkling. Okay, if you wanna, write an autograph or sign a contract, you need to have a girl pen, okay? And what else? And the last thing, of course, my wallet. Well, anyway, I don't know. I mean, this is not a wallet. This is a passport holder from Victoria's Secret. I kept all my credit cards and some kind of papers, documents. I don't know if it's a good idea really to keep everything in this passport holder, but I don't like any more these bulky big wallets. Okay, it was too heavy. Yeah, I didn't really like it, so I changed it. But I don't know, maybe I will change it soon. Well, anyway, this is what I use as a wallet. And that's it, guys. Empty. Nothing here. So, yeah. What was that? Some kind of paper. And yeah, that's it. I hope you liked it, and let me know what would you like to know or to see in my videos on my new summer series, Summer on the Patio. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye.